to me, my friends, my family, and just loving everyone that's helped me through my life.
Peace means a word of kindness.
Peace means kind.
Peace means of taking the trash out of the playground and being kind to the world. Peace is important because if peace didn't exist, like everyone would just be always fighting, and it would just all be chaos. To show people that we can choose love over hatred and violence, and if we can show love to each other, we can make the world a better place. We can get along together, not fight. We can solve problems without yelling at each other.
Give me a nice piece.
Mr. Lee did this video in 2019. So many schools over the county are using our video. It's been 7 years. The last graduating group of 5th graders that were on the video graduated last year. Everyone tell Mr. Lee thank you for doing this again for us. Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Just be respectful and kind to people. Just treat them how you want to be treated.